Yo guys, we're doing a clutch fan replacement on a Dodge Ram 5.7 liter Hemi. Alright, I got it all set up how I want it. Got our breaker bar on our big old wrench kit here. Clutch fan tool kit, you can rent those from the auto parts store if you don't have one. And we got our specialty wrench here. It looks like a fork with just two prongs and two prongs coming out of it. I've fabricated this one, drilled holes in it to fit different sizes instead of getting every different type of spanner wrench. So that's holding the water pump pulley still. It's going through the holes in the water pump pulley with those two bolts. They're like dowels, little pegs. So that's going to hold that still while I crack this clutch fan free. You want to be my filmographer? Alright, hopefully I can do this right first try. Sometimes it's tough to hold on to the water pump pulley and get it to crack free. Try not to punch myself in the face. We're going to rest it right up against this alternator to make it hold still. Ooh, this one's on there real good. Let's get a better grab on it. There we go. Once it cracks free, it's gonna come off like butter. So we're gonna take our tool off of there. Tool's off. It's not gonna come off with my hands yet, I guess. There we go. And it will just spin off of there. There we go. Usually you could just spin the fan blades, and it is spinning with the fan blades. I'll put this back on. You got the same setup, but you're going the other way. We got to transfer our fan over to our new clutch. Now this clutch was bad. You could just grab onto the fan blades and tell that it's bad because you grab on the fan blades and the whole clutch is wobbling. So that's going to cause an overheating problem at idle. And if we take this belt off, we can get this fan out of here. Let's try going downwards. Yeah, we can squeeze it down there. There we go. Let's transfer the fan over. Alright, so we couldn't squeeze that clutch fan down. Underneath there, it gets in the way of the crankshaft, harmonic balancer. So we can bring it up, but I gotta take the belt off. So we get a 3/8 drive ratchet right here in the square of the tensioner pulley. And we turn it clockwise. And we'll just slip this belt right off. There we go. Then you should be able to feed this fan over. We're going to take these 4 bolts out of the fan, put it on our new clutch fan. We'll open up our new clutch fan. Show you. Here's our new clutch fan, came with some new hardware. So we're just gonna take these 4 bolts out. They look like 13 millimeter. Pop it onto here, feed it back down underneath of there, and spin it back onto the water pump and tighten. We're good to go. That's it.